Hi, in front of me is Listo SP50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, open settings. Now you need to choose security and location, choose screen lock over here and pick one of the locking methods by clicking at the chosen one. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it, draw it, click next, draw it again and tap confirm. Over here you can choose when your device is locked how do you want notifications to show. Click on one of the options, I will go with don't show notifications at all, and when you're done, click done. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!